Hello everyone, my name is Manoj and today I am explaining about my project. My project name is AI Content Generators. Okay, I made that project with using Gemini API. Okay, so let's go to the code. So guys, this is my code, and sorry, this is my HTML file, and here have I write index this file link with HTML file. You can see. Okay, this is HTML code. I used here const. Okay, const let and try async await. That all are ES6 versions. Okay, in ES6 introduce uh, variables const let and async fetch try catch, and that are also mentioned in ES6. Okay, ES6 introduced 2015. Okay, so let's go I will tell about const and let difference between both. Okay, const is a constant, means we can't change in future, and we can't do reassign. Okay, and we can't do redeclare in const. Okay, but in case in let we can reassign, but we can't do redeclare. Okay, that is let. And here I have a event listener. What is event listener? Event listener is one type of listener, means when I not click the button it will not listen. Okay, if I click the button it will listen, and after that execute the function, arrow function. Okay, execute the arrow function. So arrow function also mentioned in ES6. Okay, uh, async async is asynchronous, that is work on line by line code execute in uh, middle some code are taking time. Okay, it will skip that and continue. Okay, when continue and it will execute that code those who are uh, skip. Okay, and when we have skipped that code we have to uh, assign await. Okay, await means still uh, promise something written that will wait. Okay, await will wait, still return the promise. Okay, and async function is also return promise. Okay, and arrow function is a compared to regular function. Regular function is very simple. We have to expression in we can do expression operation, and arrow function is a sorter and cleaner function. We have to we must readable code, and we if use arrow function, so code is shortly have, so it is very readability having, and arrow function also return implicit. Okay, implicit, but in that regular function we have to write, we have to need write return, but arrow function we don't need to write implicit, we don't need to write return, it will automatically direct return implicit. Okay, implicit means uh, we implicit means in regular function we have, for example, in regular function we write return a plus b, it will return that value. Okay, but in that case in arrow function we will not write that type of. Okay, uh, how to working it? First, when I click the button, if user input is empty it will give some error is please enter something. So if user input is something have, so it will execute the code. Okay, loading style display block it will happening. Okay, after that let prompt, it is undefined it is undefined because of we have many prompts with using switch case. Switch case is a multiple conditional statement where we use condition. Okay, means uh, when user value is matched, that case it will execute, and all are the not execute. Okay, when user value and code value is matched, so it will work. So if user value is summary, so it will match, then break. Okay, it will do break, it will do break. Okay, try is a error handling method in javascript. It is very important for error handling cases because of we have to must handle with try catch. Okay, inside the try catch we write risky code. How risky code means like this API key, that thing. Okay, okay, so this is one variable where I storing Gemini API server. Okay, await means I already said key when a async function is automatically execute line by line, it will not wait. It will not wait. जो कोड टाइम लग रहा है उसको वेट नहीं करेगा, सीधा डायरेक्टली एग्जीक्यूट करेगा. ओके, देन अवेट क्या करता है, जो प्रॉमिस है उसको वेट करता है, रिटर्न करता है जब तक कि रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आएगा. ओके, एंड पेज मीन्स डाटा सेंडिंग एंड फ्रॉम द सर्वर डाटा गेटिंग. ओके, that will work page. Okay, and method means it is one type of hypertext transfer protocol. Means which method to we using. Post means we will sending the data from user in server. Okay, after that it will generate the content type of application JSON data it will sending, and after that we are converting JSON dot stringify in JavaScript. Okay, contents, inside the contents we have parts, inside the parts we have text. It is user input prompt. Okay, that all are user input, and when user will some input give, so it will all the data uh, convert all data response in uh, JSON file. Okay, it will convert in JSON. Okay, response dot JSON. It is error handling. Okay, okay is a read-only property or response interface contain boolean stating. Okay means true and false. If it is true, so it will execute that code. If it will not true, it will stop here and go forward. Okay, and what is map? Map is a method of array, and it will go one by one execute. Okay, and catch, this is one object. When we have inside the try catch some errors, it will directly through in catch. Okay, and finally means automatically execute when error come, when error not come, it will automatically execute. So let's go to our UI. So this is my UI. There have four modes: ask me anything, quick summarizer, idea, spark, definition, finder. Okay, right now I am writing here something. Hi, so it will give the output with using API. It will taking too much time. That time taking in await. Okay. Hello, how can I help you? This is my um output. Thank you. And I have here one thing. Let is block scope code. Const also block scope code. Where is function scope code? Block scope code means we have to write inside the curly braces must behave right inside the curly braces. If we will access in outside the curly braces, it will give error because of it is blocky scope. Thank you.